Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Carroll County in north central Maryland, western Howard County in central Maryland, northeastern Montgomery County in central Maryland, southeastern Frederick County in north central Maryland until 5 p.m. At 4:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Green Valley, or near Damascus, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Germantown, Frederick, Gaithersburg, Olney, Damascus, Montgomery Village, Eldersburg, Ballinger Creek, Redland, Mount Airy, Sicklesville, New Market, Boyds, Green Valley, Lincoln or Bardensville, Discovery Spring Garden, Clarksburg, Burtonsville, and Spencerville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
En la próxima tormenta, confía en